What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this Volkswagen Transporter in for front bonnet PPF as well as our level 1 protection package. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe with the video. As always, before we can bring a car into the studio, we need to give it a thorough clean just to make sure there's no more contaminants on the vehicle. As you can see here, we've raised the car up with one of our jacks just to make sure we can get full access to the arches, make sure they're thoroughly cleaned. So now that the car's been thoroughly cleaned and it's been brought back into this studio, Callum's going to go ahead and start removing the PPF that's already on the bonnet. The customer wasn't happy with the clarity of the PPF that was already on the car, so we'll replace this whilst it was with us. Once the car was pulled into the studio under our lights, we could see that there were quite a few heavier imperfections that would need a wet sand to remove. So what you can see here is the guy's just going around the car and sanding those areas. Once the areas with the heavier imperfections have been sanded, we can go ahead and start the machine polishing. With our multi-stage paint correction, we'd hope to see most of the imperfections on the vehicle gone. So as you can see, the guys are just going around the entire car, making sure they've got as much coverage as possible. So now that the multi-stage paint correction is all done and most of the imperfections have been removed from the car, we can go ahead and apply the front bonnet PPF. So as you can see, the guys are just applying the front bonnet PPF now. Once that's been done, that will give the bonnet that extra level of protection. As you can see, now it's all stuck, we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro 9H, which will give the rest of the car that layer of protection also. As this is in for our level 1 package, it will get one layer of Ceramic Pro 9H. That's where the customer's 5 years warranty comes in. Ceramic Pro 9H forms a permanent bond with the paintwork on your vehicle to give you that extra level of protection. Some of the benefits include a hydrophobic effect, super gloss finish, and some anti-scratch resistance once it's paired with top coat. Once the single layer of 9H has been applied, we can then go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro top coat. You may notice Callum's using one of our spray guns to apply the Ceramic Pro top coat rather than one of our application pads. This just ensures we've got the best coverage as possible. One of the benefits of Ceramic Pro top coat is that it is a flexible coating, so we can apply it using the spray gun. Now that the top coat's all applied, we can go ahead and start applying the Ceramic Pro glass coating now. With the glass coating, you may notice that Callum's gone around the entire car before buffing. This is just the way we apply it. So now that the glass coating has been applied, that's nearly the end of our level 1 protection package. We'll give the interior a quick clean and hoover just to make sure it's looking as good as possible for when the customer comes and collects the vehicle. Now that the interior is all nice and clean, that's the car finish. As you can see, it's looking stunning. So guys, that's it for this week's video. We hope you enjoyed this transformation on the Volkswagen Transporter. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.